How to attract specific person. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we are gonna look into the steps that you should follow to attract specific person into your life. So let's start. The first step is to prepare yourself. This means to first focus on yourself. Look at your life as it is right now. For example, just think that your specific person is to walk into your life today. Are you in a position to nurture the relationship? Do you have space for this person to come to your shared growth on a physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual level? And if not, what steps can you take to ensure that you are stable and secure enough to welcome the flow of this specific person into your reality? By finding answers to these questions, you can check yourself that whether you are prepared for this specific person to enter into your life. The second step is to visualize. This is a very common and effective practice while manifesting. Visualization means imagining scenes in our mind like it is happening now. So, in order to attract your specific person, you can visualize any of these scenes which I am sharing now, or you can use them all. Take time to imagine playing out scenes where that you and your specific person are together. Picture yourself being asked out on a date by your future lover. Imagine your specific person calling you on the phone, holding your hand or sleeping beside you. If you can hold on to a thought even for just few seconds, then the thought will begin to build momentum towards manifesting into your reality. To boost your visualization practice even further, try injecting some emotion. Visualizing a scene with the emotion of already experiencing it is the most powerful way of manifesting anything. The third step is to don't hurry up things. Manifest your specific person one step at a time and allow yourself to really enjoy the process. It might be that you focus first on meeting up unexpectedly and spending time together as friends. From there you might manifest exchanging phone numbers and then a first date. By taking it slow, both of you will be able to develop feelings naturally. This is important because your emotions are vibrational frequency. We live in a vibrational world. Everything vibrates in its own frequency. So when your vibration match with the vibration of your special person, then you will attract each other. The next step is don't chase. If you are someone who texts or calls your specific person a lot, or even if you are finding yourself going out of your way to see more of them, then I have to say, you are doing this whole manifesting thing wrong. You need to trust in this universe. You have to have faith in your own creative power. Think about this, if you are being chased, then what would you do? You would run, right? And that's exactly the vibe your specific person picks up on when you chase them. They feel that they should run. Chasing comes from an underlying feeling of desperation. And when you emit desperation, you attract more desperation into your life. So, don't chase. The last and most important one is to trust yourself and let go. Letting go is the final step to any manifestation, and it's a powerful one. Now, when I say let go, I don't mean give up on your manifestation. Let go of trying to control things. Let go of the how and when your specific person will manifest into your life. Simply have faith in the universe and stop obsessing over the outcome. Letting go doesn't mean that you should stop affirming or visualizing. You should continue your manifestation routine until it shows up in your life. But like I said, don't search for the outcome. Trust yourself and the universal power from which we are created. So that's it, guys. These are the steps you can follow to manifest your specific person. Hope this video has helped you. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.